Look at Mom.
What?
Oh, dirty.
All right, let's check in
Dirty
here.
rabbit. Look, I got bunnies. Look at it. Egg. I found 2 eggs, Daddy and Mom. See?
Good job. Keely's good at finding all the eggs. Wait, what about this way?
Huh? What?
Look over here.
Maybe this. I found shit with my Mr. Head.
Oh, okay, put that back. We'll put it away later. Here, give it to me. We'll put it away later. Walk around there. Walk by Rick. See if there's any over there. Good job.
That one's dirty because it got a little bit.
No, that's not bad. Alright, where else?
There we are. Where's my basket? Because we need egg!
How about your bathroom? Let's look in your bathroom.
I told ya.
You're finding them really good. Any
Turn the
more?
light, Todd. Turn the light.
Mom,
You gotta turn on the light.